Alright, what's going on everybody? It's Tristan, and today I'm going to be hitting y'all with 2 vlogs in a row. Yes, you already know. I know you guys like the vlogs, so I was like, I'm going to do another one right here. The main reason I'm doing another one right here is because, still got some packages to ship, so I was like, I can do a little post office run type thing. But also, these are the shoes I still got to post, so, today we're going to be posting some shoes. I'm going to be kind of showing y'all the process of, like, how I post something to get, more interaction on it, or at least, like, have more people, like, at least, liking it or paying attention to it. My recent post wasn't, like, a great example of that, because, I posted not at a good time, and, like, no hashtags or anything. I just kind of posted. I was like, here's some stuff for sale, but it ended up working out really well, because you saw yesterday's video, sold 9 pairs in a day right there, so that was pretty good. So yeah, it's nothing too insane. I'm sure there's some people watching this video that maybe sell more or less or whatever, but yeah, if you're just trying to learn how to resell, that's what this video is going to be for. I'll be showing the process of how I do it online, how I make local deals, that type of thing, because making local deals is pretty much the easiest thing I do. It's not really hard to find a local buyer or find people in your area, especially if you live in a bigger city that will buy your stuff. It's very, very easy to do that. But I hope you guys will enjoy. If you want to subscribe and like down below, feel free. I don't have a like goal in mind, but just as many as possible. Sure, that's the goal. So yeah, just feel free. But yeah, that's everything I really have to say. So just a quick little intro. Keep switching the camera hand, but yeah, let's just get into posting these on Instagram. I'll show the process of how that's done, how I kind of sell and do that, and I'm also going to show you what your boy eats for breakfast. Oh, also, another thing too, I'm just keep adding on stuff. I'm going to be hitting the gym today too with my boy Ben, shout out him. So yeah, after all that, got a couple things to do today, and we'll bring those to the post office probably early this morning once I think the rain stops. So I'll probably do that once I get some breakfast in me, and yeah, then we'll post on Instagram and get these sold, since I already got a decent following on Instagram. So I don't think it matters too much in how I post, and I'll be explaining, process building up a following and all that. So let's just stop talking, chill the intro, let's get into it. All right, so we back in action. I'm about to show y'all what we're doing. So here's the breakfast. We're getting a little bit in this right now. We got some raspberries, the goldfish. Main reason for that is just because like the salt and stuff. I like it. Those are also really good. You cannot deny. These probably the best. These might be the best goldfish. I might be capping, but I don't think I am. Campbell soup. I'll probably go get another one of these. Some water and it's like smoothie type thing. These are super good. Yeah, that's what we have. And then yeah, probably gonna eat breakfast, and then I also am cleaning my metallic fours right now. I just cleaned these, so they're looking a lot better, but I still need to clean a little bit of like the top portion right here, but I've overall kept these pretty clean. And then also the laces were super dirty, so I'm about to go throw these in the wash and clean them up. And then yeah, that's the whole process right there. You want to say what's up? Abby doesn't want to say what's up, but yeah, once a little bit later, we'll get these posted. Maybe I'll be at the gym or something, so I don't know how much later, but we'll get these posted at the right time, so more people see it, and then we'll get these shipped out to the people that need to get them shipped to them. Let's go and drop these off right now. Hopefully I can just drop them off at the UPS store right up here, like a mile away. The one that I used to live by, they would take packages, just any types of packages, even USPS ones. So hopefully I won't have to drive too far, because head to the gym soon. I don't know why I keep mentioning that, but we on that grind, I guess, staying healthy type thing. All right, so a little bit murky out, but I just noticed I didn't even put the packages in my car, so I'm gonna go put those in. But yeah, let's get to the post office. All right, so here at the USPS store, it's right there. You can pretty much see it. I might just show the coffee store, but yeah, it's like right there by a coffee store. So we'll get in there. Hopefully they accept these. If they don't, then we'll just have to wait until a little bit later after the gym. I'll run them to the post office by my dad's. They're super chill and allow any package. So shout out them. Post office work has always been a hard job. You just deal with some rude people sometimes there. So let's just hope this works. That worked. Workers are super chill. So I'm just gonna send everyone their tracking once I get home, and then your boy's gonna, get on his way with the rest of his day, and then we'll post those shoes a little later. So I'll check them with y'all then, or maybe when I'm making lunch. We'll see what the munch is at that time. You already know we back from the gym, and we on that. We hear that little lunch preview I said I was gonna give you. Already know another burger. Woo, that boy looking actually pretty decent. Not too bad, not too shabby. Then we come over here, we got the sun chips and salt and vinegar combo. And then you already know over there we got the milk right there. We about to mix with the protein powder. You already know we going hard today for that lunch, But yeah, basically what we're about to do is we're about to get these shoes posted. Once I just eat and stuff, I'll post these on Instagram, show what I do for that, and then we'll get them all sold today, I bet. Alright, so your boy's all clean, all showered up, all looking nice, or whatever you want to say. But I've actually have done a lot since I last checked in. I did post everything everything on Instagram, and I'll kind of explain how I make an Instagram post in a second because it successfully worked, and I'm doing business with my boy Pineville Sells again. Shout out to him. He was in the video yesterday. He just bought two pairs of my biohacks. I needed those gone, and also my pair of Dunk Low Coasts since I was selling those. He got those right off me, so shout out to him. Again, we had the Fire Red 4GS. I'll eventually get those sold. Kind of will show you all how I'll post those on Instagram to get them sold, or maybe I'll sell them somewhere else, but you guys will probably see me sell those through Instagram, as I've been doing, for most of my shoes here, and I will post those once I get back. So we're gonna go do that go do that deal. Then, I'm gonna go deposit some of this money I got right here into I opened a new checking account since, I'm trying to make more accounts for sneakers, but also just save some money up for college and stuff like that and other things. So yeah, we got that all prepared and all that ready. So we're gonna go to this deal. So y'all will see Jamie in the video. So shout out to him for getting us another deal here with RM1, and yeah, he's getting us set up here. So let's get into it. And here we are, right here. We got the pairs right as you guys can see right here in the trunk. Your boy got the clean metallic boards on. Hopefully you can see that, but your boy, it's probably not gonna show up, but we cleaned them up pretty nice. They're still a little dirty, of course, but yeah, let's get to the sneaker deal right now and get this done. Alright, so just waiting on Jimmy to, respond. Again, make sure you guys go follow him. Shout out to any of the local resellers. I'll make sure I try and do more business with more Charlotte resellers and people in North Carolina. But yeah, hopefully it'll come out in a second and we'll get these shoes sold right here. Alright, so we're here selling some more shoes. Jimmy again. Good, what up? Couple good deals right here. Got some Dunks. I got these ones from Foot Locker. These ones right here. They got the, yeah, see them. I was super lucky on these.
Bro, you got lucky.
Yeah, I got some people that sometimes get me stuff for retail. Sometimes it's like a group chat.
Oh yeah, so, those cook groups.
Yeah, whenever I get that.
Yeah, here's the money, bro.
Yeah, appreciate you, bro. Alright, bro. There you go. Appreciate you, bro.
Have a nice day.
Alright, stay safe, G.
Yeah.
And just like that, simple, quick like that, as long as you have authentic shoes, you verify before, a deal can get done as quickly as that, especially if you know the person. So it's really the basics to it. And shout out to Jimmy for making it quick and easy as always. I always make sure I sell them the legit stuff. Always authentic. I'm not well, I'm not selling nothing move, of course. But yeah, we'll just kind of head back. Not gonna film my driving, and we'll see what we do for the rest of the day. Maybe I'll throw a steal in those Fire Red 4s, just because I'm feeling good or something. Maybe I'll do that, but we'll see. And I gotta pick up my brother first from school, because I promised my mom I was going to do that to help her out, save her some time with work and stuff. So let's get that done. That nanny type grind. And just like that, we are back home. Here's again, this isn't nothing to flex or anything, but there you go. There's some of the money we've earned. It's like $17.50 or something. From reselling. Last couple of days we've gotten around, I think like 3K or 4K, something like that. I can't remember, but we've been putting some in, stock investments. Obviously we'll be putting some of this, just in the savings account, not sneaker or anything related, just, for the future. And some of it we'll put back into the business. And, we still got a comfortable 16 pairs invested right here of a value, probably around I don't know, I think these are around 5K. I'll have to reevaluate and see how much it's worth. But yeah, we're also going to be just selling a pair of Fire Red 4s just in the store, for a little steal. I'm just going to give it back to the people, because why not, a lot of people supported me before, so why not? I'll probably be dropping these for $2.15 or something. But I might just, someone's like, hey, just sell them to me before. It's someone local, so we might. I know people gonna hate me for this, but I might backdoor, the little story sale right there. Excuse my stutter, but yeah, maybe might be backdooring it. Maybe. Not gonna say, who knows, but hey, we're gonna get this shoe sold too, and yeah, there'll be another K today, and then that'll be another I don't know. I think it's 4K of sales in the last 2 days or so. Just flipping some of the sneaker investments that we've had. So another one will be getting sold, and I'll be back with you, kind of showing the process and all that, and further, and just kind of how I post on Instagram and all that. All right, so we're gonna hit that ATM. I actually did make a deal with someone locally, I think, for the pair. So I am possibly backdooring the story sale, but yeah, hopefully they'll be off their work soon or whatever they're doing, and hopefully they can come cop this pair. But yeah, just in the DMs right now. So yeah, we're about to just go hit the ATM. We're gonna deposit this. I actually had a little bit more than I thought, which is dope. But yeah, don't forget, shout out you guys, because I just want y'all to know. this is like, you know, technically I copped these shoes with like YouTube money and stuff like that, and now look what we did. You know, we flipped it. This is like 2K. I didn't even think I had that much, but yeah, just shout out you guys. It's all work. You know, we kind of, I guess, did it together because you all watch my videos, so you know what I mean. Like, it's crazy, you know what I mean? So just shout out you all, and yeah, I'm gonna hit this ATM. So let's do that. All right, so back here in the room again, recording after the ATM, all that, you know, put some money, you know, just you know, got some money saved, so your boy's in a good mood. Just putting that aside for college, you know, other days, whatever, I may use it. And also just to get some money saved. My mom's been on me about that. She's like, you know, you've got to make sure you got some money saved. And I appreciate her for being on me about that. But, you know, right here, I also got this Louis bag. She's trying to get me to sell this for her. So I'm going to sell that for my mom and get the money to her for that. I just posted that on my Instagram story. Just, you know, trying to see some offers, see what people will pay for them. And then right now I'm about to catch some people off guard. And I'm going to post this fire red right now for like the 225 or 220 steel. Just pretty much way under market. Just, you know, give back to the people. You know, the people watch my videos and, you know, just locally or whoever. So yeah, I'm gonna let y'all know how that goes to kind of show you all how I post it again. Really just how I post stuff on Instagram again. It's just on my story. Y'all see, I mean, I literally just posted my story, you know, just like this, and then I also, you know, just make these posts like kind of with the hashtags, you know, right here. All these ones, you know, usually add more pictures, and you can see like these ones have detailed pictures of the shoes. You know, you add the prices, you know, the highest offer on them, hashtags, all that kind of stuff. That, you know, is important, like hashtag, you know, like sneakers for sale, hashtag, you know, shoes for sale, hashtag sneakers, hashtag hypebeast, hashtag shoes for sale. All those, use them on your post. It gets more, it helps your post gets more likes and stuff, all that kind of important stuff. And I don't know why my face is so red, but I must be tired from holding the camera or something. But we're gonna play some GTA right now and post a story sale, and I'll let y'all know how that goes. And you know, that'd be like a K for the day right there. A little $1,000 made, a little $1,200 made, just reselling some more shoes and the sneaker investments. And like that right there, that's how a store sale's done. You know, just posted on the IG. Didn't even take a minute, you know. Once, you know, just threw a good deal, a little steal for that, because, you know, felt like giving back. But we still got the other 16 pairs here we're just saving and stuff like that. We're gonna buy a couple more pairs to, you know, invest in. But mainly trying to think, you know, we're just gonna be finding some stuff to resell and things like that. But yeah, you know, fire reds. Sneaker investment's been paying off. Anyways, though, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Just kind of gonna hit you all with a quick little outro right here. I'm about to just edit this video, then, you know, just eat some dinner with the family, you know. Huge shout out to, again, everybody that's been buying my stuff on Instagram. If you're watching this video, thank you. I appreciate your support. You know, you're helping put towards your boys' college and all that. So, you know, that's a good thing right there. And you know, just all that. So I appreciate it for sure. And if you guys want more content like this, again, feel free to subscribe below and drop a like. I'd appreciate that. The goal in this video, I didn't really even put a goal. I remember I didn't say there was a goal, just as many as possible. And you know, that'd be dope. Just like the video if you enjoyed it. Leave a comment, any questions, concerns. If you have a concern, then leave it. Yeah, I guess, you know, we'll address those as well. And yeah, you know, just we'll get to selling these towards, you know, the end of the summer a little bit later. But those are just a couple resale vlogs in a row right there. I wanted to hit y'all with, and we'll get back to the how-to cops and stuff like that tomorrow. So hope you guys did enjoy. Thank you all for watching. And yeah, road to 50K. So hopefully I will catch you all soon. And be sure you guys check the resale and IGs and all that down, you know, all that down below. We'll be throwing more deals. So I'll see y'all then. Peace.